What's up, everybody? Today I acquired a new to me but used from one of my buddies. It is a, let's see if we can that, you guys can see that or not. I can't see the camera right now. Agency arms. You flip it to this side. If it's not blown out, you can read it. We got a Agency Arms midline Glock 19 Gen 5 threaded fluted DLC coated barrel. Make sure you guys can see this in the frame. Yeah, let's see. Can you guys see this? Okay. Open it on up here. Alright. Sorry guys, I was filming in a different angle and different thing today. But yep. Let's see. Take it on out of here. Like I did say, it is used, so it has a little bit of scratches, just from where the it rides on the gun and stuff like that. Not worried about it one bit with it being used. It's gently used at that. So, yep. It says, see, G5 for Gen 5, G19 for Glock 19. Yep, agency. So it has a little bit of wear in the barrel. I'm not worried about it at all. I'm gonna probably, this is the DLC. I'm probably gonna have this Cerakoted anyway down the road. So yep. Let's bring my 19 Gen 5 over here. Lock the slide back. Nothing in the chamber. Alright, gonna take the recoil spring assembly out. Take this barrel out. Drop in this new nice agency one. Thread it. Put the recoil spring assembly. And bam. Put this. And there we go. See how it looks there. I already had the suppressor height sights on this Trigicon to pair with this red dot, which is a Vortex Venom. Until later, I'm going to put a RMR on it eventually. But, yep. And I'll get this snug here in a minute, like a little channel locks or something. So we'll be backing up. And, yep, there we go. Let's see if... let me bring this camera over here. There we go. Glock 19 Gen 5.